2016 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, rear window wiper. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.